happy with my DIY. I am very excited to bring you here again. Yes, my sister's porch. Thank you so much for all the wonderful comments and views on the last porch video. It's actually one of my most popular videos, over 5,000 views and still going up. So thank you so much, I appreciate it a lot. And in today's video, it's time to decorate my sister's porch for the summer, and I'm bringing you guys along. Let's do this. First, let me show you the new beautiful landscaping that my sister and her husband had just done. They planted a variety of trees and grasses, which adds so much to the curb appeal. And right there on the porch is a tropical plant, hibiscus, which is perfect for the summer decor. And as you can see, the porch is nice and spacious, a blank canvas for us to work with. Well, there is an exception. Remember this little flower basket that I made for the spring decor? Well, we had a visitor. Yes, a real bird's nest is right there. A bird decided to have little babies in there, and it looks so adorable. Doesn't it look like the bird's nest that I made in my video? It looks just like that. At first I thought my sister was playing a joke on me, but no. Real eggs, and now we have tiny babies in there. Look at that, how precious. 5 little birdies. So it's just so adorable. We're gonna have to leave that basket hanging there on the wall, and we're gonna work around it. So let's start off with the door. We decided to hang a tobacco basket that I made for my sister a couple weeks ago. It is just so cute and inexpensive to make. If you're interested, I'm adding a link below. Also, we're gonna put in the doormats, and I like to layer one on top of the other. I think it adds so much interest. Don't you think? And right there already, the entryway is looking adorable. Doesn't take much at all. And please take a quick look at some things we purchased at a Dollar Tree. They have such a good selection of different signs and candles. I mean, so many cute things you could never tell they were just $1. So I recommend you guys go there first before we buy anything else, and check out their selection. Those things won't last long. Oh, and look at Coco. She found a comfortable spot under my sister's coffee table. So we're going back on the porch and continue decorating. Okay, so let's put the little table by the door. We actually made that in the last video. It was so inexpensive to do out of the crate. I'm gonna put a link for you if you're interested. And now I'm just placing a couple items on top, like that welcome anchor, a bird, a starfish. These are the things that I found in my sister's basement. So before you guys go out and buy anything, shop at your own home. I'm sure you will find things that you forgot about, or you just haven't used them in that way. And here is that Dollar Tree net that I'm putting on the side of the bench and just decorating a little bit to bring some more interest. And I have one more net, so I'm gonna put that on the opposite side of the porch, over here by the flower pot. And let me take this cutie. I think he's gonna be perfect here. I wish my sister would let me add some beach sand. But at least I have some seashells that kids collected on the beach. Oh, I actually noticed some of them they painted, but I'm gonna cover them up and use a whole variety. I think it adds so much, don't you guys think? And here's the look at that corner. I think it looks so adorable. And I have a couple ideas for decorating a porch bench. For example, I found this little lighthouse in her basement. Hello pillow from my living room. They go perfectly. But I also found a big seashell that she brought from a cruise. I think just adding a couple succulents from a Dollar Tree makes it a very cute arrangement. Don't you guys think? Of course, you could glue this. I don't want to do it right now, so I'm just inserting it in. How adorable is that, guys? And one more idea would be getting that onion grass from Dollar Tree, some seashells collected at the beach, and just inserting that in. How cute. I also decided to bring out another side table with a tray of lemonade, and we all know how hot the lemons are this summer. So adding a punch of yellow is just so adorable. I found a little sailboat in the house, and that just ties everything together, doesn't it? So cute. And then I found the ship wheel, which coordinates with the pillow. I think it's gonna look perfect right here on the wall. And then I found this glass lantern at my sister's house, and I decided to decorate it with Dollar Tree candle and some onion grass and hang it right there under the light. Just a little bit more interest over there. And I am using nautical rope with the wire that Dollar Tree now started selling. It is just so cool and easy to manage. I really like it. I can tell already it's going to be a staple in all my crafts. And this is how it looks during daytime. And this is where I decided to hang the Dollar Tree signs with some command hooks. I think they bring so much color to that side wall and also tied together with that hibiscus plant. And here's the look at the final result. I had so much fun decorating, and I am so happy with the way it came out. And most importantly, my sister is very happy too. And I hope I had inspired you guys a little bit to create something of your own at home. Not necessarily spend a lot of money, but shop your own home and also a little bit at a Dollar Tree, add a little DIY here and there, and make something cute for the summer. Alright guys, so this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.